another Epicflows Production.
Good afternoon. I'm having a problem with it. Whenever I'm calling my boyfriend's phone, he's not answering the phone, right? I want to know how to private. I just called a while ago, the call they cut off. Karine.
Karine, is it only your boyfriend's number you're unable to make the call to?
No, whenever I try to call his phone, I said he's not answering, so I would like to know how to private the phone.
Oh, you want to private the number?
Yes.
Alright, so this is how you adjust that specific call only, alright?
Yes.
Alright, so that's number sign.
Make I get a pen. Okay then. Yeah, ready.
Number sign.
Number sign.
31.
Yes.
Number sign.
Yes.
And then you put the number you're trying to make a call to.
Oh, and it will be private. You won't know that I'm calling, right?
Right.
But I don't have credit sometimes, so I have to send, please call me. Can you tell me how to private the please call me? Can you tell me how to private the please call me? But you won't know I'm calling and call me back.